Hello, thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In this video I will be introducing the child to the external parts of the frog activity. The material required for this activity are green amphibian folder, frog puzzle. If getting real frog in a terrarium is not an option, please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and the bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child about the external parts of the frog. The instructions for the activity are: tell the child what are the 5 classes of animals such as fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Ask the child if they can guess which class frogs belong to and let them know that it is the amphibians group. Have the child look at either the terrarium or frog puzzle and go over a image from the green amphibian folder. Go over the characteristics of amphibians such as they are born in water with gills and fins like a fish and are cold-blooded like fish. Have the child describe where the frog's eyes are and that it is on their head on the top part. Explain the reason is because it allows the frog to see in front and above so it can see the insects that is caught with the tongue. Next, talk about the frog's mouth, that it is very wide so it can catch big insects easily. Ask the child if they know if a frog breathes and let them know that they are correct. Show the child an image of a tadpole from the folder and explain that it is a baby frog. Explain to the child that when a frog is still in the tadpole stage it has gills like a fish that allows it to breathe underwater. Let the child know that when a tadpole starts to grow into a frog it loses its gills and starts to grow lungs so it can breathe air like the child, and say that this is a process of changing one animal to another and it is called metamorphosis. Talk about the frog's short tail, that the tadpole loses its long tail that is used for swimming. Explain that the frog's skin is very smooth and say that amphibians do not have scales. Talk about how frogs move by kicking its hind legs through the water to get food. Tell the child that the frog's webbed feet helps with swimming. Next, talk about how the frogs move on land by wiggling on the ground by pushing the hind leg, or hop by kicking its hind legs. Explain that the frog's legs are good for swimming but not for walking, which means swimming is more important. Have the child return the materials back to the shelf. This ends my video for today. Thank you for watching.